This is our very first flipped classroom video, and the first one is going to be supplementary and complementary angles. To start the lesson off, let's do a little review. What is an angle before we get to these little more complex concepts? First of all, an angle is formed when two rays have a common corner or vertex. Whenever two lines cross or intersect, an angle is formed. If I have a line here and I intersect it with another line, I form an angle here. I also form an angle here. How about some common angles? These are some that we have talked about in class. The first one, easiest, a right angle measures 90 degrees and looks like a corner of a window or my whiteboard. It makes a corner. If I were to get a protractor out and measure it, it would measure 90 degrees. Here's an example of a right angle. You can see that it has the little square in the corner, which is an indicator that it is a right angle. This is a symbol. Here's another one. It's pointing a different direction. Just because it's pointed differently doesn't mean that it's not a right angle. Remember that we can take a corner of a piece of paper, in this case some sticky notes, and I can put it in the corner and gauge if it is a right angle or not. You can see by looking at that it is. Now, another type of common angle is a straight angle. A straight angle measures 180 degrees and is a straight line, which would look like this. Very easy to detect. It's just a straight line. All right, two angles are what we call supplementary if their sum equals 180 degrees total. In this figure, angle A and angle B are what we call supplementary angles because their sides share a straight angle, which is down here at the bottom. So if I were to add both of their measurements up, their combined measurement would equal 180 degrees. This one plus this one. Two angles are called complementary angles if their sum equals 90 degrees. In this figure, angle C and angle D are what we call complementary angles because their sides share a right angle. You can see the symbol for the right angle here. Their combined measurement together is 90 degrees. That means this one plus this one would total equal 90 degrees. Try this. Let's look at the lines. Tell from looking at these if they form supplementary angles, which means they equal 180 degrees, or if they form complementary angles, which is 90 degrees. For example, here's our first one. If we looked at angle ABC and angle CBG, would that form a supplementary angle or a complementary angle? It would form supplementary because here is a straight line, and remember all supplementary angles have a straight line, a straight angle as both of their sides. So this is supplementary. How about if we looked at angle FGH and angle HGJ? Would that be supplementary or complementary? This would be a complementary angle because together they form a right angle. And there should be a little symbol there showing that that is a right angle. All right, we're going to do a little quiz here, a quiz yourself question. What kind of angles are these? We've got MNO and angle ONP. Right. This would be a complementary angle complementary because together, there's that little sign that'll be your signal or hint what it would be. This is a complementary angle because they would equal 90 degrees together. Now, if angle MNO, this angle here, equals 40 degrees, what would be the measurement of angle ONP? Okay, you're thinking in your head, well, I know together they equal 90 degrees. If part of it equals 40, 90 minus 40 would equal 50. And that's the measurement of this angle. That would be 50 degrees. Because remember, together they have to equal 90 degrees total. Okay? Let's move on to the next one. What kind of angle would this be? Here's a straight angle as both of their sides. This is a supplementary angle, set of angles. And we can see that QRS and SRT together make supplementary angles. Okay, here's a good question. If angle SRT measures 60 degrees, then what would be the measurement of angle QRS? All right. If this equals 60 degrees, we remember back that supplementary angles, because it's got a straight angle here, supplementary angles equal 180 degrees. If part of it already measures 60 degrees, you would take 180 minus 60, and this would give you 120 degrees. So the rest of this would be 120 degrees. Both of them together should equal 180 degrees. That's all for this lesson. And don't forget that you have your homework guide. Complete your homework and be sure to bring it back to school tomorrow. Thank you. Enjoy.